my name is Ayo Shinoiki from Thinking Aloud with Ayo, and I'm here at the Selsdon Park Hotel in Croydon, where we're actually hosting, or we're going to be attending, the Zenith Global Health Practitioners Awards 2016. Now, this is an occasion where health practitioners within the UK are coming together to network, to be celebrated, and just to find a bit more, to be inspired as well, find a bit more about what goes on within the National Health Service, and we know that there's so many unsung heroes within the profession, and this is an award ceremony that should be celebrating them, recognising them, inspiring others, and generally promoting goodwill amongst everybody in the room. So come along with us. Hopefully you will have a great time as well. So we're still here on the red carpet, and we're at the Health Practitioners Awards 2016 at the Selsdon Hotel in Croydon, and I am so excited because we have an award winner recipient here. Can I just ask you first of all to just tell us your name?
Hello, my name is Deirdre Munro.
And how long have you been in the healthcare profession?
About 24 years.
And do you know why you actually received this evening?
Embarrassing and humbling to receive this, but it's on behalf of a huge global village network community, so it's on behalf of a huge community. That's why I've received this award.
I have a gentleman with me. I'll let him introduce himself and also to give us your title, please.
Well, my name is Wayne Trackus Lawler. I'm a Croydon councillor and officially known as the Mayor of Croydon.
The Mayor of Croydon. And can I just ask you why you felt it was important for the Mayor of Croydon to actually be here this evening?
It's important to recognise the dedication and commitment of healthcare professionals, and to recognise really that many of the unsung heroes who care for us and who save our lives actually on a day-to-day basis, it's important they're recognised.
My name is Cecilia Anim. I'm a nurse by profession and at the moment the president of the Royal College of Nursing.
And can I just, you received an award this evening. Yes. Can I ask you what that award means to you?
That award means quite a lot to me because it is a recognition, not necessarily for what I personally have done, but it is for nursing, because what we do is we make a difference to people's lives.
So you think it's important for awards like this to continue?
Oh, yes. Yes, because sometimes the heroes on the ward 24/7 are not recognized.
This is true.
Yes.
Oh, first of all,
Dr. Joe Myers, OBE.
Oh, OBE. We didn't know that. Because, you see, the thing is, I saw you earlier on because you picked up an award on behalf of somebody else. So let's talk about that, then we'll come back to the OBE. So who did you pick up the award on behalf of?
I picked up the award on behalf of Professor Elizabeth Anu-Onyu, CBE.
Okay. And what was the award for her?
She got a Lifetime Achievement Award for the phenomenal work she's been doing in the NHS. Okay. She set up the Mary C. Cole. She set up the Sickle Cell Society in 1979, and recently, she's done amazing stuff for nursing over the years. Okay. But recently, as the vice patron for the Mary C. Cole Statue Appeal, we now have the statue to the first named black woman in the whole of the UK in the grounds of St Thomas's Hospital.
What?
My name is Gloria Eke.
And can we just see your award? Congratulations. Now, what was this award for?
It's a special recognition award for my work in stroke. Okay. In stroke, I'm a neuroscientist with special interest in stroke and TIA.
And how long have you actually worked in the healthcare profession?
15 years.
Okay. My name is Comfort Momo, MBE.
Okay. And can I ask can we all see your award, first of all? Lovely.
Yes. Thank you.
Can I ask what this award was for?
This is special recognition for the work I do around female genital mutilation. Okay. I started the first ever clinic at Guy's and St Thomas's about 20 years ago, and I do men, girls, and the community in terms of changing attitude and mindset.
Okay. And can I ask why you think award ceremonies like this are actually important, or if you think they're important?
I've received so many awards along my journey. Yes. This is really special, yes, as you can see, and I'm hanging on to it. It is really special to recognize the work that we do, and this will go a long way, obviously, and to encourage other people, yes, to nominate themselves, because we as professionals, we really fail to kind of praise ourselves, yes, if you like. So this is very special, and this is a way of doing that. And also, like I said, it will encourage the younger professionals as well.
Can I also say...
Dr. David Soile.
Ask what your profession is and what you've been recognised for this evening.
Well, I'm a medical practitioner, a GP, recognized for Lifetime Achievement Award in the medical profession and for some charity things I've been doing.
Can I just ask how long you've been in the profession?
I've been a doctor for 32 years,
You enjoy it still?
absolutely. And I have all my children are doctors as well.
Oh, wow.
That tells you I enjoy it.
Okay, so you won this award. Very lovely award. Can I just ask what this means to you?
I mean, it's something fantastic. It's something that encourages one to do more. Whatever I'm doing that has been recognized. As an impetus to carry on and do good deeds.
Health?
Hi, I'm Dr. Manpreet Gulati. I'm CEO of Leica Health, and I still work in the NHS as well at the same time. So I'm both in the NHS as well as the private sector of medicine.
And so you received an award this evening. What was the award for, do you think?
I'm not quite so sure because a lot needs to be done, a lot needs to be contributed. So probably the achievement is coming before the contribution, I would say, which.
I think there'll be some that will argue with that.
There's a lot more that we can be doing and we will be doing and we should be doing. Essentially, what we have tried to achieve here is we created a whole new paradigm in the way the private healthcare is done. The idea being that we generate wealth in the right way with integrity and then use the wealth from those people who can afford, who become our partners in our success, then to use that wealth to take it to those places where the healthcare is still unaffordable.
So we're still here at the Health Practitioner Awards 2016 at the Selsdon Park Hotel in Croydon, and I have one of the award recipients with me. I'll let her introduce herself.
I'm Linda Cardozo, Professor of Urogynecology at King's College Hospital.
And can I just ask why you've already told me that you didn't know quite what to expect this evening, but why did you come for the awards this evening?
No idea, but Mary has been a theatre sister in our theatres in King's College Hospital for as long as I can remember. And I just trusted her, and she said, please come. And I said, okay, that's fine. Yeah. And I had no idea what we were going to be doing here this evening. I'm a very trusting person.
Which is really nice. So you didn't know what you were coming for, but then you won this award. Can I just ask what the award means to you then?
It's very precious because it means that a lot of healthcare professionals think that I'm worthy of having a Lifetime Achievement Award. And actually, you know, what have I done? Yes, I've taught and trained and been active in all aspects of healthcare for my whole working career. And isn't that great?
It is.
Yeah? And I've trained lots of juniors, nurses, physiotherapists, doctors, and it's been a great time.
Hello, my name's Chris Boynton, and I'm the late husband of the amazing Dr. Kate Granger, MBE.
And tell us a little bit about Kate Granger.
So, Kate was and continues to be an inspiration to many people. I had the honour of being her husband for 11 years, and I knew Kate for 16 years. In the last 5 years, through Kate's terminal illness diagnosis, we had some amazing times, but Kate's legacy will be all around changing global healthcare for the benefit of others.
And how was she? How was that going to be done? What's been put in place in order to do that?
So I suppose the thing that everyone will probably be aware of is the hashtag Hello My Name Is campaign that Kate and I started sort of 3 years ago now, and it's exploded into a global success. Is probably what it's called, but it's something that probably shouldn't have been needed within both the NHS and global healthcare. But unfortunately, at that point, it was needed. But now it's in place. It will continue to grow.
Oh.
Amit Patel.
And congratulations on your award. What do you do?
I'm a surgeon at King's. Yeah.
Ceremonies like this for your industry, for your area of specialty, is a good thing.
I think it's a good thing because at least people feel recognised for their achievements, etc., which you don't always see in the NHS at the moment.
And so you work NHS, you work private?
Yeah, private.
And so
Nobody recognises you privately.
Do they think you've got enough recognition, maybe private. But anyway, but it's great that you've got the award, and obviously.
I am Her Royal Highness Princess Muradeun Adedoyin Sholari.
And can I ask you, Your Royal Highness, why are you here this evening?
I'm here on two counts. First of all, to support a very dear friend and sister in the person of Lady Mary Akongbe, as we know her. And secondly, because I nominated a first cousin of mine who is a medical doctor and surgeon, and we brought the entire family. But apart from that, I've realized the past few years that, as Lady Mary said, nobody really pays attention to those whom our lives are literally in their hands, the medical practitioners. And there's a very dear friend of mine who's a surgeon in the US.
Hello, I'm Stuart. Stuart Gosling. I'm an ODP at King's College Hospital.
Right, what does ODP stand for those of us who are not in the profession?
That's an operating department practitioner.
Okay. And what sort of things do you do as an ODP?
We assist kind of anaesthetists. We check the anaesthetic machine, the equipment, the drugs, the monitoring systems, all that kind of stuff. We also look after the patient firsthand. We make sure they're safe and they're happy and they're sorted out. Also, we can help on the scrub side as well. So we scrub, we get sterile, we handle the instruments and that kind of thing. So there's two sides to it really, but I'm mainly concerned with the anaesthetic side. So
you've won an award this evening. What does that mean to you?
it means actually, I've never won anything before, but it's good because it means that like the ODPs have been recognised by other people outside the scope of the ODP. So that's good because we often get, it's not overlooked, but people outside hospitals don't know what we are. So, yeah.
And Care Practitioners Award 2016 here at the Selsdon Park Hotel in Croydon. And what an inspiring night it has been. We have, well, you've seen a lot of the recipients of the awards and the inspiring stories behind the people that we meet when we go into healthcare situations. And it's been so inspiring, so encouraging, and so uplifting as well to just see the people behind the people that deal with us and help us. So hopefully, this will not be I'm sure this is not going to be the last time we will have these awards. And one of the things, the resounding themes that has come through from all the recipients and the people that have attended is the need for a situation or an award ceremony as this, because they are the unsung heroes. Yes, they do get paid a salary for the job, but a lot of them, if not all of them, put a lot more into it than the normal 9 to 5, if you see what I mean. So it's been a great night. I've been totally inspired, totally uplifted, totally encouraged. Don't forget the hashtag My Name Is, which we heard about as well, which is helping to bring the relationship between healthcare workers and their patients. So use that whenever you can. And hopefully I'll see you again next year. This is Ayo Shinoike signing out.